Hi guys, today my grandma is gonna say these words where it says Sister Cash, and so she's gonna do it while she comes out the bathroom, guys. See, my little sister's sleeping. Her name is Jackson. Yeah, she's ready to come out. Let's just wait a few seconds. Time is now is 4:33. Alright guys. So we're gonna wait. Here she goes.
Okay. Oh, well, let me see. I'm in the Christmas play and I have a part. And it's go like this. I know I did not come all the way to sit in the back. I gave $3,000 to the building fund. My name was first on the $1,000 list. I support every program.